Individually, ano ang mga bago sa inyo? Nagastos nyo na ba yung tigo 1 million?
Ay, alam naman eh, ito lang na panaluan na.
I helped out with my family financially, and hopefully, maybe in the future I can buy my own house. And I get to experience a lot of new things, especially in the Philippines. I get to go to new places. It's a great blessing to go around Philippines with these guys all together and experience new things all together.
Ayun po, sobrang marami pong nabago sa buhay ko. Unang-una po, natutulungan ko po yung family ko, lalo po yung kapatid ko na tinutulungan ko po siya mag-aral ng college. At yun po ang plan po namin sa napanalunan ko po. Ngayon po kasi inaantay po namin na makabili po ng lupa para po matayo po ng bahay namin.
Para sa akin po, marami. I think out of all the guys, I have a lot of things to work on. Kasi I'm definitely coming from the farthest place. I'm from the States, so it's a little bit different for me to come to a different country and adapt to a new language, adapt to a new culture. I also have to develop different skill sets such as dancing, things I've never quite done before. I'm just not spending it because I have a feeling the second I do, I'm going to spend all of it. So.
Siyempre po na natulungan ko na po yung family ko.
Paano?
Yan, financially po. Tapos, especially yung brother ko po, natulungan ko din po siya. Tapos, yun po, parang wala na po kami problema masyado sa financially. Gusto ko pong magtayo ng sariling bahay soon po.
Ayun, una-una po, natutunan po namin kung paano po maging responsable sa mga bagay-bagay, gaya po ng gamit, kung paano po namin ingatan, at syempre po, natutunan din po namin kung paano lumawak yung pasensya namin sa lahat ng ginagawa namin. Syempre, hindi rin po ganun kadali yung trabaho. Kailangan po i-polish po kung paano yung gagawin namin performance. Tsaka po natutunan namin kung paano maging mapagmahal na tao.
Do they live together?
May house po sila na finifinance ng ABS. Extensive training yung ginagawa nila in choreography, vocal training, showmanship. So, total performer boy band kasi yung plan sa kanila ng ABS. So, magkakasama sila sa bahay para mag-undergo sila ng mga trainings na yun.
Yung pagtira sa kanila sa iisang bahay, it's not just para mag-undergo sila ng training, but we're also instilling discipline para matuto sila ng tamang disiplina, pakikisalamuha, kasi syempre di ba teamwork is important. So, kasama yun.
Isa rin sa mga natanong sa akin, kung paano ba syempre may mga iba tayong boy band sa ABS, may Gimme 5 tayo, may hashtags.
Oo, ano?
Ano yung differentiation, di ba? Kasi yung Gimme 5, mas twins yung market noon. So, mas kiddie, mas bata, di ba? Yung hashtags more of mas dance group. Sila talaga yung boy band, sila yung the total performers, can sing, can dance, can perform, and legitimate singers na sinama-sama natin sa isang group. At abangan nila magkakaroon din itong boy band PH ng collaborations with some of the exciting local artists.
Wow.
Local artists. Itong boy band na to, talagang pure talent at the same time. All of them are lookers.
Kung pwede kayong maging anim, sino sa mga nalaglag, ika-anim na member? Para sa akin po si Marco Plea.
Marco Plea po. Kasi po, simula po lang po nung show po, talagang magkabati na po talaga kami nun eh.
From the top 12, I think a good pick would be Nico Juarez, actually. He was,
Yes,
I think he is actually really a total package. He can dance really well, and he sings really well. So I think he'd be a perfect fit.
Yung maging six members, si Tommy Lewis ko po.
Kung pipiliin ko naman po sa top 12 para sa akin, lahat naman po okay kasi
Uy, say!
alam mo yan? Pero pipiliin ko din po, ang hirap pero si Miko na lang po.
Miko.
Kasi si Miko po, napakatahimik, napakagaling din po. And syempre marunong din po siya makisama sa mga grupo.
Did they give you like a hand in the album, like songs na gagawin nyo?
Yun po. Kami po yung talagang namili
Kumanta,
po.
oo naman, chika.
Namili po. Yun nga po yung pinakamasayang part po, yung parang habang pinipili ko namin yung mga songs namin. Para po kaming naghahanap ng mga girlfriends po.
We all kind of had a choice in the songs that went into
pinapili,
we heard from a couple different charts, and just we found the ones we liked. Like for instance, when we picked Unli, we heard it right away. We were like, "We want that one."
Well, it's common sa five of you sa song sa album. Na napili nyo talagang...
When we heard the songs, like the ones on this album, we all collectively were like, we want that one.
Nice yung...
Very collaborative talaga yung process ng album. Kasama namin of course sina Louie,
No, of course.
si Sir Roxy, yung producers. We sat down with the members of Boy Band PH. Tapos nagbotohan kami per song. Kasi di namin nire-review kung sino yung songwriters. Kailangan yung mapili yung song on the merits of its being catchy, bagay sa kanila. So, ayun, nagbotohan kami ng mga songs. Yun nga, yung first single nila, unanimous yung decision of
Who composed the single?
Gabriel Tagantay.
Oh.
Boyfriend si Kid Wolf.
Oh, you're the man!
Nagmamahal si Kiko.
Kiko.
We made it
Ikaw.
Kiko.
Okay.
Ayan, tapos yung boyfriend yan, Kid Wolf. Yung Somebody is a remake, Depeche Mode
Correct.
na 80s anthem. Ayun.
Fan.
Tapos abangan nyo kasi may second EP sila sometime late next year.
Nakasama na itong mga pinag-uusapan natin ngayon na ano.
We're deciding kung second EP or a full-length album. So, ayun.
Hello.
Who are your personal music icons and any boy band you look up to?
Yung siguro yung Westlife tsaka Backstreet Boys din. And sa dancing naman siguro K-pop.
Sa akin kasi nung bata ako, lagi kong pinapanood si Sir Gary B, si Mr. Billy, tsaka po si Usher, tsaka po si Chris Brown.
Ayun.
Yun po.
Usher. Okay, hindi ko na ma-remember yung iba.
I think I don't have an exact like musical influence per se, but I would say artists that I look up to are people like Justin Timberlake, Bruno Mars, other people like Tori Kelly. I'd say it's just because they're very simple in the way they perform. Like Justin Timberlake, he doesn't really do like super complex choreo and whatnot. Like they just have that effortless swag.
I know.
I don't have that, so like I want to have
You
it.
have it.
Yung kay Bruno Mars po
Ah,
kasi
Bruno.
basta po ang lakas po ng dating niya pagka nagpe-perform siya. Sobrang galing. Pati po si Justin Timberlake po at dito naman po sa Pilipinas si Billy Crawford po at saka si Mr. Gary.
Billy
Sobrang
and
galing po
Gary.
talaga nila mag-perform. Sa girl naman po si Miss Sarah Geronimo.
Okay.
For me naman po, music influences, let's say, Justin Bieber, Chris Brown, Usher,
Oh, I love
and
Chris.
then boy band, you could say One Direction and Westlife.
Meron pa kayong group leader sa boy band niyo?
Pag dancing, si Joa
Okay
po.
po, may parang kanya-kanyang aside po sa
Okay.
Pag singing naman po, si Russell po.
Okay. Pero wala yung parang leader na.
Parang sa leader wala siguro.
If you will be having a concert in the future, so anong song ang gusto nyong kantahin na like a love song or ballad na solo for each member and why?
Well, for me naman po is the song that we have right now in our album, Somebody. That song really like hits all of us together. We know it's loving, caring, and
Very.
And we hope that even our audience and fans will see it through our performance and they'll feel the love from us po.
Somebody po, pero gusto ko pong pumulik ngayon sa parang Tagalog po yung magmamahal po.
Ano ka?
Hindi po
Okay.
yung magmamahal. Kasi title pa lang po magmamahal, sobrang marami na pong meaning.
If it's off the album, a song that I actually really love at the moment, Sana Maulit Muli. I actually really like that song. So,
Pag wala sa album, ay Shape of My Heart.
Sa akin naman po, kung sa album, Somebody.
Somebody
Pero
sa album.
kung off po sa album, anak po, Boyfriend Every Love. Kasi po maraming makaka-relate. Para sa akin kasi, nung narinig ko yung kanta, parang na-reflect po sa pagkatao yun. So, sa tingin ko,
Makalalay ka, no?
maraming makaka-relate sa kanta yun. Kaya yun ang gusto.
Magulang.
Yung mga artists na gusto niyo makakollaborate?
Para sa akin po si Boy, Mr. Gary Vee, because since I was a kid, my dad would always play him when I'm around the house, and he's some pure energy. So I wanna collaborate with him, with us po. And then girl, probably Sarah Geronimo po, kasi she is insanely talented.
Siguro po si Billy Crawford.
Oh naman. I love Billy.
Performer kasi siya, kasi siguro si Miss Ying.
for me, I would say for a guy, maybe either a guy like Darren Espanto or maybe Inigo Pascual. I think those guys are like exceptionally talented, and I think I have a lot to learn from either one of them, so that'd be fun. And then for a girl, maybe Morissette, because she can like really sing. So.
Si Michael Pangilinan, maganda pong boss niya. Tapos,
Ba rin ano? Maganda ang timbre niya.
yan po, yung girl, si Miss Yang.
Yang. Why Yang?
Kasi gusto ko yung quiet yung boss niya, may pagka-rock. Gusto.
She's a rockstar talaga.
Pero po, unang-una po si Sir Gary V. Pangalawa po si Miss Sarah Geronimo. Sir Gary V po kasi dati siya na po talaga yung una ko nakikita nga po. Kapag nag-perform po, sobrang lakas po ng energy niya. So parang siya po yung in-idolize ko since yung bata. Hanggang sa nagkaroon ng maraming mga artist na tumulad sa kanya.
Sa babae, si Sarah. Why Sarah?
Nung nakita ko po kasi siya mag-perform sa ASAP, sobrang galing niya pala talaga in person. So parang na-starstruck ako sa kanya na one time gusto ko makatulog si Lisa.